Hi everyone, the stores are starting to mark down their summer items and I want to share with you some shopping tips and tricks to prevent you from breaking the bank. Tip number 1, make a wish list. So the way that I make my wish list is I use the camera on my phone, and all throughout the season as I'm browsing in and out of stores, if I see something that I like, I go ahead and I take a picture. And so once they start marking the items down, I'll go back through my camera roll once it's on clearance and decide if I want to purchase it or not. Tip number 2, have patience and check the inventory. So once the stores start marking down their items, they normally start low between 10 and 25%. So you have to decide if you're willing to have patience and wait, or if you want to go ahead and get the item. Now here is an outdoor chandelier I have had my eye on since the beginning of the season, but to me, I am willing to take that gamble and wait to see if they go 50 or even 75% off. They have enough inventory on their shelves, and what I will do, since this store is not too far from my home, maybe 2 to 3 times a week, I will go in and check the inventory to see if they still have a good amount on the shelves. Now, if it gets to 1 or 2, then maybe I will go ahead and buy it, but I am going to take that gamble and wait. So next we have tip number 3, and that's to get to know the employees. This is how I got a very good deal on my patio set a couple of years ago. I am notorious for going into stores and starting a conversation with the employees. And if it's a store that I visit frequently, I make sure that I learn their names. And so every time we go in, we may have a conversation. So once I'm comfortable, if there's an item on clearance, I'll ask them, can they check the back to see if they have any more in stock? Or if what they have on the floor that I see, is that all that they have? And they don't mind doing it. They're happy to do it. And so that's why I love getting to know the employees of the stores that I visit frequently. So the last and the most important tip to me is to set a budget. Stores will be doing some major markdowns over the next few months because they need to push these items off their shelves and make room for the back to school items as well as the holiday items. So make sure you make yourself a budget and stick to it, because you can find yourself picking up things that weren't even on your wish list. Now, my interest revolves around entertaining, cooking, and gardening, but the sales are everywhere. They're on clothing, shoes, you name it. These stores are really starting to mark down these items. So whatever your interest is, I encourage you to get out there and check the sales, because they really need to move these items off of the shelves. So I did a lot of walking this weekend, and I wanted to share with you some of the things that I did pick up. And you don't have to buy anything from every store that you walk in. It just depends on your interest, how long you're willing to wait, if you want to pay that price, or do you want to wait till it goes lower. So I'll go ahead and start right here. Now I'm going to link a video to my marigolds video on why not to buy them, because I did stress the fact of check the dead and dying rack, and that's what I did. These were $3, and just look at them. There is nothing wrong with this plant. Some of the blooms have spent, but once I put it in the ground and kind of fertilize it, I'm telling you, it will come right back. So I did get 2 of those. Okay, and next I went to Big Lots, and they had 50% off of some of their items, and I got this lighted solar bird bath, which I thought would be cute in the flower bed, and I'll make sure that I show you the picture once everything is done. And I went to Hobby Lobby. I thought these plates were beautiful. I am thinking like an afternoon tea party, just having guests over. They had a lot of things that were 80% off.
And so all they had was 7 plates. I'm going to check one more Hobby Lobby, but the original price was $7.99 and you got 80% off. And I just think these are just so cute, super cute. Okay, also from Hobby Lobby, I have these garden picks. Now, I am starting to plan my fall garden, and I always grow lettuce, and I thought that these were super cute. And we are always grilling, so I picked up some barbecue napkins, the luncheon napkins, and also the beverage napkins. These were also 80% off. You can't beat that. You set up the backyard, make everything nice, and you can put these out. I mean, who knows that you paid 80% off? And these ice cream napkins are also super cute. And I also got this barbecue utensil caddy, which was regularly priced $29.99. These were also 80% off, and I thought this was so cute to put the utensils in. And they also have a cute little opener on the side, so I thought that was really cute.
So here is the solar lighted bird bath, as well as one of the clearance plants that we picked up on our little small shopping haul. But I am definitely going to have to paint that top portion of the bird bath a darker color. I don't know if it shows up for you on your screen, but it is very gold. But that's okay. It was on clearance and I still like it. So I hope that you have enjoyed this video, and I hope you'll be able to use some of these shopping tips and tricks as you set out to go clearance shopping. And thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you share this video with your family and your friends so that they can also use some of these shopping tips and tricks. And let me know in the comments below if you've found any great deals while clearance shopping. And if you're not a subscriber, we would love to have you as a subscriber. And again, thanks so much for watching, and until the next video, bye bye.